The federal government is clearing up confusion tonight and says this was not ICE. The school district says Homeland Security agents were trying to detain an employee.
New tonight, neighbors responded with a peace walk in Adams Morgan, and Matthew Torres learns from parents how they're explaining this episode to their children.
The Department of Homeland Security confirms their agents were at the school this morning, but claims it was unrelated to any kind of enforcement action. Meanwhile, DCPS says they were trying to detain a worker here in the school's parking lot. Photos capture agents with Homeland Security investigations right outside Cooke Elementary School in Adams Morgan.
I think it's terrific.
Bill Mefford snapped some of the pictures.
You know, when we have agencies of the state going after folks that are working to serve their community.
According to DC Public Schools, the agents tried to detain a healthcare contractor assigned by DC Health to the school within the campus's fenced-in parking lot during morning arrival. The school system says school administration followed protocol and guidance issued by the DC Office of the Attorney General, requested to see identification and a warrant. It appears no one was taken into custody when agents left.
The person was able to go into the school and be safe, so then they came over to our building and then we're debriefing that.
Mefford is the executive director of the Festival Center, just a couple blocks away. He and other neighbors protested what happened in song and in steps as they conducted a peace walk.
Passed out here.
Passing the school where parents say they're uneasy.
It's not right to come to the school like that. If you have a small children, you know.
I just don't have the energy to stomach it. It's disgusting.
DHS claims ICE did not conduct any enforcement action at the school. HSI agents were present at the school unrelated to any kind of enforcement action. But as questions linger, a community rallies together.
Safety comes through caring for one another, knowing one another, and loving one another.
DHS did not give us an exact reason as to why the agents were here in the first place. DCPS says as soon as the agents left, they notified the contractor's employer and DC Health. In Northwest, I'm Matthew Torres, WUSA 9.